Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Many of us head straight to the Lido Buffet when we get on board, but what if I told you that there are so many other free dining options that are way better? That's right, today we're diving into the deep world of Carnival's complimentary dining, and I'm going to be sharing 8 incredible spots that will make you forget the Lido deck ever existed. So grab a snack, hit the like button, and let's get started. First up, this one's a game changer and it's for breakfast and lunch. You might think Guy's Pig and Anchor Smokehouse is just for dinner, where it's usually an upcharge, but on sea days, many of Carnival's ships offer a free breakfast and lunch here that's super delicious and you will be in love with their food. And so you can just forget about that soggy bacon because you're going to get something way better here. Imagine perfectly smoked brisket, savory sausages, cheesy grits, and fluffy biscuits for breakfast. Yum. For lunch, you can often find fantastic pulled pork, mac and cheese, and other barbecue delights. It's hearty, it's flavorful, and it's completely different, and it's in a different league than the buffet. Oh, how about this one? Maybe you don't want eggs. Maybe you don't want barbecue for breakfast. Well, you've got options. BlueIguana Cantina is a staple on most Carnival ships, and it serves up some incredible Mexican-inspired dishes for both breakfast and lunch, and you won't be disappointed. For breakfast, think delicious breakfast burritos and huevos rancheros made to order with all the toppings you could want. For lunch, it's a build-it-your-own taco and burrito bowl fiesta. Fresh salsa, guacamole, and various fillings. It's fast, it's fresh, and it's incredibly satisfying. Carnival's got some of the best fast food on their ships, and they're so dialed in. Okay, this next one is a popular one, and you probably won't be surprised, but it's got to be listed on this list because it's consistently fantastic. Guy's Burger Joint is amazing. If you want juicy burgers, perfectly grilled, you want all the fixings, look no further. Forget dry overcooked patties. Guy Fieri's knows how to do his burgers. The ringer with the donkey sauce, pure genius. And don't even get me started on those crispy fries. Yum. Makes me hungry talking about food. All right, number 4, and this one's a good one, but not every ship has this feature. You'll have to look for it on your ship and see if it's there. But if you're lucky enough to be on one of these ships with Shaq's Big Chicken, then you're in for a treat. This spot is available on select ships like the Mardi Gras, the Celebration, and the Jubilee, and on the West Coast, you can find it on the Radiance. Shaq's Big Chicken serves up some seriously delicious fried chicken. You won't be disappointed. For breakfast, they have incredible chicken and egg biscuits, crispy chicken with hash browns, and for lunch, think crispy fried chicken sandwiches, juicy chicken tenders, and amazing sides. It's comfort food perfected. They used to have like a honey mustard sauce, and I wish they'd bring it back, but yeah, that was amazing. Late night munchies, lunch on the go. Just got some cravings? And Pizzeria del Capitano is your answer, and I think I butchered that. But the best part is that it's open late, and it's amazing. They have freshly made hand-tossed pizzas baked in a proper oven. Think pepperoni, margarita, quattro formaggio. They have the classics too. They do them well. So no more sad, stale buffet pizza. This is the real deal. If you see a line, don't worry. It moves pretty fast, and you can order a whole pizza too, and they'll give you the whole thing. So you don't have to just order 1 slice or 2 slices. You can get a whole thing. Now this next one is a favorite also. I've got lots of favorites. Gosh, Carnival just does some things right, and I can tell you that their fast food, and I've said this before, they're doing it right. Sometimes you just want a good sandwich, and Carnival's Deli, it really delivers. It's located on many ships, and the deli offers the fantastic selection of, think, made-to-order sandwiches, wraps, and even hot dogs. Classic Reubens, turkey clubs, grilled cheeses, and fresh salads. You can choose your bread, your fillings, and they build it right in front of you. And it's a great lighter option that still feels substantial. I like the French fries there too, if you don't want the ones at Guy's. They're just kind of like the basic French fries. Okay, so this next one, maybe not a full meal, but maybe you could make it into one if you had a brownie. Swirls is Carnival's complimentary soft serve ice cream and frozen yogurt station, and it's available for a good portion of the day for a sweet treat whenever you want. One of my favorite things to do is go and get like a chocolate brownie and then go over to the ice cream station and then put that and make like a chocolate brownie sundae. It's so good. But there at Swirls, you'll find vanilla, chocolate, and sometimes strawberry. They rotate the flavors. And yeah, they also have frozen yogurt. It's perfect for those hot days or a sweet treat after dinner. And that's my favorite time to go. Last, but certainly not least, and this is often overlooked for breakfast and lunch, it's the main dining room, right? While everyone knows about dinner, many ships offer sit-down a la carte breakfast and lunch here on sea days. And it's kind of just a really nice, fancy way to sit down and enjoy a breakfast, but you can go in casual, so don't feel like you need to dress up. This is a fantastic way to enjoy a more relaxed, upscale meal with a table service vibe without spending any extra money. You won't spend a dime, seriously. For breakfast, you can get everything from omelets to steak and eggs. And for lunch, you can expect a changing menu of appetizers and different entrees and desserts. But it's really good and it's fresh, so it just feels a little bit better than sitting at the buffet. Don't get me wrong, I still love the buffet, but I'm just saying, you've got options. So there you have it, 8 amazing, absolutely free dining options on Carnival that are, in my opinion, far superior than the standard Lido Buffet. Next time you cruise, make it a mission to try these spots. You'll be glad you did. So what's your favorite dining spot on Carnival? Did I miss any of the must-tries? Let me know in the comments below if you've enjoyed this video, and please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cruise tips and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching. Smooth seas and happy sailings, my friends. Bye.